So today I will be showing you how I prepare this Spanish croqueta. Yes, in Spain you find it everywhere. They are staple on Spanish steps menu and you find them offered throughout the Spain. So what am I using? I am using bacon. I have already drained the oil and I'm using 2 hard eggs for this croqueta. You can as well use any vegetable, any meat of your choice to prepare them. So in my previous video, I have already showed how I prepared white cream or bechamel cream for preparing this croqueta. So after adding these 2 ingredients, bacon and 2 boiled cut hard egg, I will take it back to the stove to cook for 15 minutes on a low heat until it thickens up again in order to be able to be molded when you are molding them. Alright, here I have flour, white egg, whole egg and the bread crumbs. I'll be using them to form up the dough to make it firm and crunchy after it is being fried. You can't mold this with your hand. You can, but you will make a lot of mess. So to form this dough or to form the circle form, you need 2 spoons. You shape them until they give you that circle form. Then add it to the flour and coat it very well. You have to do this gently, yes, and patiently. If not, your finger can force in through the croqueta and you know it's very soft. So after this, I will help it with my palm. Now don't use your hands when you are putting it in the egg because it's wet, and if it is wet, it will gum all the flour and your hand will be more messy. Take it to the breadcrumb and make sure that they are well covered with the breadcrumbs. Alright, this is how they are looking and this is how they should be. I could not continue with 2 spoons, so I was thinking what could I use, and this is what popped up in my head. A very nice idea. I just scooped with the spoon and put it in the bigger one and roll it, and the circle form is formed without wasting time. This is very easy. You see that? That is how I was able to fasten up and get a lot of this croqueta done. The first time I ate this croqueta in Spain, I was wondering, what is it made of? How could they make this thing so crunchy at the outside, moist and juicy? Wow, very juicy in the inside. Well, here I am doing it for the first time in my kitchen and we all enjoyed it. My children as well, especially the gear, loved it. So you can as well try this at home. Yes, everything is about trying. In Spain here, you can get it in any restaurant and bars. In fact, it is one of the tapa that they serve here. They have it in every restaurant, in every bar. So here you can also eat it along with salad, with patata chips, or with chicken wings. But we ate our own with patata chips. So in a frying pan, add oil. You need to deep fry it so that it will fry very well. And once the oil is hot, I'll go ahead gently. I'm even laughing at myself now here. I was gently and easily putting them down. Yes, whereas they are okay because after you have, coated them with the flour, egg and the breadcrumbs, it is thick. You can handle it, yes, without it being broken. So after the damp part have already fried like this, you can see they are also bursting. Yes, because it is well fried. You turn it to the other part of it to fry. And then, yeah, croqueta, the becon is ready. My own is croqueta de becon because I use becon. Can use meat, fish, vegetable, or even patata mash. Yes, that breaking is a sign of well fried. I took it out of the oil. It was very nice. My first time of preparing this, and it came out very well. So the kids like eating it with ketchup. Add that ketchup, any sauce that they like eating it with. You will see them eating everything immediately. It didn't last that day. Everything finished. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's video. And this is how they are looking inside. Very funny part. I'm even laughing here. You don't use knife to cut this, please. Just pick it in your hand and eat it. When I was cutting it with my hand, I was like, what are you doing, this woman? And here they are. Very, very tasty, juicy in the inside. They said in Spanish that it's a heavenly invitation because of how it tastes. Very, very nice. So give me a thumbs up and I will see you in my next video.